valve in here opens, okay, and then the pump, as long as the electricity is on, the pump pumps the water into the tank, okay. Hi guys, welcome to Asher and Gad channel, making Africa home again, one family at a time. Just giving you a brief site update today. We're on the roof, and if we have a look here, we have installed the pump. This is the pump that I referred to in the last video, and if you haven't watched the last video, please click up here, right? I had a couple of people who were saying they couldn't see the clicks. Now the clicks are available. Many people can see the clicks. If you're using Google Chrome, you should be able to see the clicks, but please, if you can't see the clicks, then it means it's something to do with your personal YouTube settings. Because in the last video, I had a conversation, and the subscriber realized it was their own personal YouTube settings. So if you can't see the clicks, it's because of your settings. Use Google Chrome and check your settings, and you should be able to see those clicks. So that you can watch that last video. So here is the pump. Okay, this is a 1 horsepower pump, which is 750 kilowatts. Okay, I'll show you the box. Okay, that's the box there. Okay, 750 watts, 1 horsepower water pump. Somebody asked where did I buy it from. I don't know, I can't remember the exact shop. We didn't actually buy it, but it was somewhere on the Spintex Road near the new Orca Deco shop. I think it's opposite there somewhere. There's a shop that sells many building supplies. So if you just head down there, and you should be able to find a similar pump if you want to do so for yourself. Now, this here is an automatic pump. Okay, this is an automatic pump with this section being an automatic shut-off valve. Now, it's important to realize when you need an automatic pump and when you need a manual pump, or how they operate differently. With an automatic pump, okay, as soon as the water level goes down, the valve in here opens, okay, and then the pump, as long as the electricity is on, the pump pumps the water into the tank, okay, pumps the water into the tank. When the tank is full up, this valve here will shut. The pump will sense the change in pressure, right, that the valve is shut, then the pump itself will stop operating, okay. However, if this was a manual pump, okay, and we know there's a valve there. As soon as you put the power on, the pump will pump. It will pump the water. It will continue to pump. When the tank is full, if that valve shuts, this manual pump will continue to pump against the valve. And you don't want that situation, because what will happen is the water will be returning, the pump will be pumping against itself, and the manual pump will eventually burn out. Okay? So where you have a manual pump, you must not have any automatic water shut-off system into your tank. Because where you have a manual pump, the only way you know when the tank is full is that the water will overflow. Okay, so just bear in mind that an automatic pump goes with an automatic shut-off valve system in the tank. A manual pump has no means of automatically shutting off the water as it's filling the tank. Okay, let's go with another example here. So here, in this main 2,500 litre tank that we have here on the roof, that is fed by an automatic pump that is by our water tanks below. And again, if you haven't watched the video that fully describes how our water system works, please click up here to watch that detailed video. And there's also an ebook that goes with it, tells you how the water system is completely configured. Okay, but in here there's a ball valve. Okay, now that ball valve, again, when the water is full, that ball valve will shut off incoming water, which will then automatically tell the automatic pump downstairs to stop working. Okay, so that's how an automatic pump works. If that pump was manual, it would burn out and damage if there's a ball valve in here. So hopefully that's clear. So now follow us. We're going to go downstairs and look at the flower beds that have been done, and I'm going to hand over to Gad, who can talk about her flower beds to date. So let's go and have a look. talking about. You can see if Gad points the camera, it's nice and curved around the edges, just as we wanted it. Okay, and we'll fill it with the necessary soil that we need to fill it in. But I'm going to pass you over to Gad now so she can talk about the plans she has for this flower bed, the one over there, and also outside.
Okay, for now, I don't really know what plants to put in there. I know I want roses, and obviously I wanted hydrangea, but I can't grow it here because the sun is too intense. It's gonna die unless I grow it in the house. But I'm yet to find, guys. Do you know what? If you know where I can find hydrangea plants, please let me know.
Hydrangea.
Yeah, hydrangea.
Maybe they do a tropical version.
No, because I like to plant them in the house.
Oh, okay, fine. Yeah.
To be an indoor plant rather than outdoor plant. Please.
Yeah, comment below if you know anywhere
Please.
that has hydrangea type flowers in
Pink,
Ghana.
purple, white, all of it, red. Yes, please. Thank you very much. Yeah, so the guy also built another thing for me up down there. Another flower bed.
Yeah, another flower bed there. Yeah.
Okay. On the same, is it parallel to
Yeah,
each other?
exactly parallel to each other. Yeah.
That it's gonna look very neat.
Okay.
You know, so what all the greeneries as well. Here, I think I'm gonna have a little tree here, but I'll make sure that the tree will the roots of the tree will not affect the building. So I'm gonna find a tree that has a soft root.
Soft root, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
but it will provide a kind of shade. I think I'm gonna do that.
Okay.
But to be quite frank, I don't know what. But I know that I'm going to plant jasmine. That for sure.
It smells very beautiful, like
I
perfume. Yeah.
jasmine plant there because what it is, when you're walking, I want you to be able to smell that fresh jasmine.
Okay. What plans do you have for that side? Yeah. No, that side. Yeah. That side of the wall. Yes. Oh, okay. Yeah. Or the other type of wall climbers you can get as well.
I really want the climbing roses. You know why?
Why?
Because it's got thorns.
Thorns.
A sort of security as well.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
It looks beautiful as well with climbing roses on the wall.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'll get a tree planted there as well. That's why they got that thing there.
Yeah. Okay. It's a tree. Position for a tree. Right. Okay. Great. Yeah.
With a shade as well.
Okay. Have you decided the type of tree?
I was gonna go for almond, but they're saying that
The roots are too dangerous.
dangerous for the.
Yeah. Eventually, they can break your fence wall, do damage to the structure.
Yeah. So I'm looking for an alternative.
Right.
I really want it to be a plant with a.
What about a mango tree?
We can do.
But they bring too many flies. Guys, comment below. What type of tree do you think we can plant in front of our house that can bring shade, but maybe not too many flies? So mango is probably out.
Mango should be at the back of the house.
At the back of the house, yeah. Not in front. Okay.
Yeah.
A tree that can bring some good shade, but that the roots are not a risk to the structure. So, do you want to go outside? And what plans do you have for the flower bed outside? Obviously, they've done one side, but we have to get rid of the sand on the other side before they can do that side.
There's going to be a kind of they put a bed there as well. They haven't put it yet, but I asked the
Yeah, so we have a flower bed along there. Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, I'm going to do some climbing roses there as well.
Okay. I need to send Dugbele a video. Yeah.
So on this side, guys, I'm going to have some beautiful palm trees here. You know, some colorful, beautiful green palm tree. Not the one with the palm nuts, but there are different types of palm trees here. There's one particular one I had in mind. It's not going to be the same as the one I'm going to put inside. It's going gonna be a different one outside this week, very lovely. So all this way, I'm gonna have gonna plant palm trees, and I'm gonna get shrubs as well. Some green shrubs at the base of it.
Green shrubs at the base.
Yes.
So palm trees with green shrubs at the base.
Yes.
Okay,
It looks so
that'd be
beautiful.
cool.
Yeah.
That'd be cool. That'd be cool. I need to I need to give him a call to come and finish up. He hasn't done the cement in between. Yeah, but that's
But let me know when we can start planting, because that's the part I'm waiting for. So guys, because we got sand on this side, we haven't done anything there yet. As soon as the soil, we use up the soil over there, then we find something to do with that area.
exactly,
We're
yeah.
gonna do the same thing here.
On both sides, yeah,
Anyway,
yeah.
so we need to beautiful.
What about the back? What about the back of the house? Is there any ideas on?
Gravel. We're gonna put some gravel. I mean to say.
Right.
At the back, because we don't want snakes. There's so many snakes here. We don't want snakes coming in to the house, so we're going to put some gravel.
Yeah, in a developing area, there's always a risk of unwanted serpents every now and again. So, I think you can get snake grass. You can get snake grass.
They say it doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
Someone told me.
Okay. Well, if you don't want snake grass, we can fumigate the place. Fumigate the place. Yeah.
So guys, here we're gonna have palm trees all the way to the wall.
Okay. Yeah. Exactly. That would be along this column. Yeah, along that column.
Instead of there, yeah.
Yeah, along that column. Yeah, just for the driveway. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
Yeah.
And here, everything, I'm gonna plant just one tree over there. Anyway, I talked about my guava tree, which I really want to. I'm gonna plant a guava tree there. But here, remember when I said I was gonna do an arch?
Yeah.
Yeah. So they'll create something for us here. Just plant some trees, but we'll put an arch, maybe up to 5, all the way down.
Okay.
Do you remember when I talked about an arch?
Yeah.
Do you
Like the
know?
one in Kumasi.
Like the one in Kumasi.
Mhm.
Yeah, we're gonna do that. You know, it's gonna be a rose arch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With roses on top.
Roses on top.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching this episode of Asher and Gad. As usual, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button so you always be aware when we upload a new video for your viewing pleasure. All right. So from you, guys, Yebeshia. See you next time.